In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet. So start off by getting your slip knot ready. And I want you to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, as you can see on the chain, you're going to have multiple loops for each chain. There is there are the loops on top, the loops on bottom, and if you turn it, are those lumpy loops that go across. Now you can go into any of these loops, but the easiest is to go into the top loop here. So that's what we are going to do. Now you want to count two chains from hook. So here's one chain and there's 2. And that is where you are going to insert your hook. So we insert a hook there. And now we're going to take our yarn that leads to our skein and we are going to yarn over that hook and pull through just that yarn through that chain. So now as you can see, there are 2 loops on that hook. Now what you want to do is yarn over again and pull that yarn right through both loops. So now you're down to 1 loop. Now let's do it again in the next chain. Insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, and pull the loop through the chain. Now you have 2 loops on your chain. Yarn over again and pull that yarn through the loops. Now we'll keep doing that to the end. Go in, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through. Insert hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through. Insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on hook. And as you can see, you have the beginning chain. Now, as you'll notice, we chained 6, but we only have 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how it should be. Now what you want to do is you want to chain 1. At the end of every row, you are going to chain 1 until you get to that last row, and then you won't chain anything because you'll be done. So what you want to do is you want to chain 1, and now you want to turn it. So you want your hook to be to the left side of the work that you're doing. So the work that you've already done should be to the right side of your hook. The work that you want to be done should be to the left side of your hook. So as you can see, this row has not yet been done. So what you want to do is you want to single crochet across. We're going to insert the hook into that same stitch through both the front and back loop. As you can see, there is a front loop and a back loop on that hook for that stitch. And you're going to want to go through both of those loops. You want to yarn over, pull through, and now you see there are 2 loops on that hook again. Yarn over, pull through. Now let's go all the way across, remembering to go through both the front and back loop of that stitch. Yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on hook, pull through. Keep going to the end. And then that last one is always a little bit more tricky because it is a bit tighter. At least for me it is. Some people it's not. It's a little looser. And then remember to chain 1. And then you'll turn your skein or your project again. Now if you keep going, you could make yourself a nice little bookmark. So keep going and make it to that length that you'd want to have for maybe a little bookmark or a tag or whatever you'd want to do. And once you've mastered that single crochet, you can watch the next video and move on to a half double crochet. Happy crocheting!